Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw the flag of Venezuela. So this is a rectangular flag and you can see the colors. We're going to put divided into three parts. So let's put the yellow color first on the top of the segments. Okay, the top part is getting yellow. Then below that one, we're going to have the dark blue color. Let's put the dark blue color here. Filling up the space as uniform and solid as possible. Okay. All right. So you can see the dark blue color. Then at the bottom, we're going to have the red color. Let's fill up the colors now. Okay, so you can see here there are three colors. Now we are going to draw a symbol with a sign pen. Here it's present in the flags. On the corner you can see another symbol, looks like the special country symbol, which has two types of ribbons, and the graphical ornamented presentations here. We can do it with the pencil. Okay, and a red color we're going to put here, and also a blue color. Okay, all right. So this is a graphical presentations of the symbol. You can see the total flag in front of us. So this is the flag of Venezuela. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on. Okay, only one more thing is left. It has a stars here. Let's see, in the middle. So for the stars, let's put it with the white drops. This is going to show the stars. Because this is very difficult to draw stars in this small amount of space. All right. So you can see the total flag and the presentations here. Okay, I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.